folks, James Power here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this pristine mineral white 191 BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. Let's take a quick look around there. Up front you have the BMW LED front lights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front M Sport bumper with front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging and the blue brake pads. The black trim surrounding the windows, the eDrive badging on the side, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 530e badging, the automatic trunk, the rear LED tail lights, the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360-degree parking view, the twin exhausts. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, over inside you can see the fully digital cockpit with a sports mode, comfort mode and an eco pro mode. Also on board is the BMW multifunctional M Sport paddle shift steering wheel, the BMW teleservice with satellite navigation, connective drive, enhanced Bluetooth and many other extras. The BMW iDrive system, the automatic transmission, the e-brake, the 360-degree parking sensors, the BMW pedestrian safety system. The interior comes in a black Dakota leather with a platinum trim finish, surrounded by customizable ambient lighting such as green, lilac, blue and many others. Fully electric windows, automatic lights, rain sensing wipers, the BMW SOS service system, heated seats, air conditioning. This is a keyless push button start ignition, CD player and many other extras. Yeah folks, that's just a quick look around this 191 BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. My name is James Power and I hope you enjoyed this video.